Kilarigbo Live TV.
Do you have some recipe book? And of course, see your wife website too. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to bring a very wonderful people of I want to thank the people of Nigeria that are gathered here today. How can you be doing selfie here? We're not the whole journalists are working. They're doing selfie. I want to thank the people of Nigeria that are gathered today to listen, to be part of this process. Daddy Baba Ahmed. Now, I want us to tape what we are promising you. Please listen and tape it. Because for too long in this country, we have allowed people to come, tell us one thing, and when they go into office, they do another thing. We can no longer take it. You either do what you tell us, or please, you leave our office so we can hire somebody else. Daddy and I, all your country has done in the past 20 years is to produce insecurity, yes, to produce poverty, to produce joblessness, to produce ISIS crime, fuel scarcity, all one form of suffering or the other. Daddy and I are promising you that we will secure and unite Nigeria. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will ensure that when we start, after some years, no Nigerian will say, I'm from the west, east, north, but we'll be proud to say, it's a Nigeria. We want Nigerians to celebrate their Nigerianness, celebrate their passport. We assure you, we are going to work hard to put people out of poverty. We are going to work hard to ensure that our youth are employed. And the way to do it is that we will remove this country from consumption to production. People have said, how are we going to do it? This Lagos will remain the center of our finance, center of our excellence, center of our transshipment and everything. But we assure you, Nigeria have all the factor endowment to be a great country. Because we will ensure that there is rule of law and order. We will produce enabling environments, the greater environment that will support investment in our oil and gas. Nobody will steal our oil again. Our gas should be developed where it will give us more money than oil. And above this, all the cultivated land in the north, which is our greatest physical asset, we will invest in. We will ensure that we deal with the issue of agriculture as quickly as possible. As soon as we secure the country, farmers will go back to farm. We will support them to be more productive, and we will use the food inflation to drive down inflation in this country. We will ensure that the water we produce will lead to agricultural revolution, which will lead to export, and will earn more money, and that the party chairman, presidential candidate, and vice presidential candidate will be people born after independence. This is the first time if you come, they tell you, you voted for PDP, the Burum, you voted for the PDP, the umbrella and put you into poverty. You voted for the broom, they swept you into poverty. When they came into office, 55 million people were absolute poverty. Today they are 95. So it has worsened. You have voted for umbrella, it didn't work. You voted for broom, it didn't work. We now want you to vote for human being. You go and vote for. Go and vote for Mama, Papa. When you vote that, if you check it, MPC chairman is 75 years. PDP chairman is 72 years. He was Sagadis minister 40 years ago. Our chairman is 52 years. 20 years difference. If you check the age of three of us, the average age is 55. If you check the other one of PDP, it's over 70. The other one, we don't know their age. Press, so the press can criticize what we are doing. Our security people will no longer be for harassment. Police will not harass anybody. They will be in your care because we are going to recruit. We are going to train those on how to do policing. We are going to equip them. We are going to recruit more trained people. So police will be a friend, not enemy. They will do the work of policing. We will not add all these problems we have. We will apologize to all those who are victims of police brutality. All those who have suffered the hands of government. We will apologize to them. We will make sure that it never happens again. Nigeria will be a peaceful country. We will ensure that we love each other. This is the beginning of youth and women development. We can no longer have old people wasting our time. That's why it is people born after independence. Those before independence, it is time for them to go and rest. So we can build our country. That is what we want to do. Please go out on the 25th. Look for LP. Vote there. Stay there until they count the vote. You have all it takes. Once we win the election, that is the beginning of a new... It's the beginning win, we will not tell you. You will bring out your note and you see what development is. It will be, we are not going to change everything overnight. But be assured, you will see it physically, you will measure it, you will see the level. Everybody will experience it. Because I assure you, what we will do here, nobody will believe it. Hold us responsible. Hold us responsible for a new Nigeria. Hold us for a secure Nigeria. Hold us for Nigeria that is productive. Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. You care for Mama. You care for Papa. You care for Sikim. Thank you and God bless.
Ọpẹ́ ni fún Olúwa. Ọba náà bí ni ọba ọ̀la. Peter Obi à ń gbọ́rọ̀ yẹn pé ó ṣe dáadáa àwa náà sì ń rí ipa tí ó ṣe. Téèyàn bá wá ṣe dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn téèyàn bá wá kún kó fi ṣàṣeyọrí lórí ibi tó ṣe stéètì a gbọ́ a sì mọ̀ bí ó ṣe rí. Tó bá wà ní federal náà kò burú púpọ̀ jù. Ìyẹn ló jẹ́ ká support ẹ̀. Tó bá débẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ gbé débẹ̀ tó bá gbé débẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ kó ràn lọ́wọ́. Tó bá wá ràn lọ́wọ́ àtúnwò àtàwọn àti Nàìjíríà kọ́lọ̀ ń jẹ́ ojú káráyè ṣe bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Gbogbo tí wọ́n tá bá fẹ́ ṣe torí òní kọ́ torí ọ̀la kí gbogbo aká máa ṣe dáadáa torí ọjọ́ ìní náà ni. Sóyè sìn tá a bá wá ṣe tó bá wá dáa ẹ̀san bẹ tó máa wà fún oníkálukú torí náà ìyẹn ló jẹ́ káwọ́ support ẹ̀ yìí pé kọ́lọ̀ ń gbé débẹ̀ kó sì bá wa gbé débẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ kó ràn lọ́wọ́ kó sì ràn wá náà lọ́wọ́ kó rọ̀ òun náà lọ́rùn. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and vote Obi. In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and vote Obi. We believe in one Nigeria and the new Nigeria. And Peter Obi and that is a symbol of new Nigeria. My name is Apostle Umara Emmanuel Obioma. I am the national president and founder of Association of Palm Tree Planters of the whole Nigeria. I'm also general overseer of Holy God Deliverance Fellowship International Incorporated. I have been following my brother, this our God-sent man, Mr. Peter Obi, and that Nigeria will be great again through Peter Obi and that. This is a man who have shown competence when he was governor of Anambra State. Peter Obi is a messiah sent from heaven to deliver Nigeria because Nigeria is in dire need of a deliverer. Let me tell you something that happened in the Bible. In the book of Judges chapter 11, from verse 1, if you go to that thing, what I need now is somebody who like Jephthah of the old. Jephthah happened to be a man. His brother, the mother was a prostitute. So the brothers in Israel said they will not give any inheritance because the mother happened to be a prostitute. And this man called Jephthah left and went and began to prosper in another region. When there were problems in Israel, they began to look for Jephthah to come and lead them in the war. When Jephthah came, Jephthah now told them, "Can I be your king?" They said yes. What Nigeria need now is Jephthah. It doesn't matter the tribe anybody come from. It doesn't matter the section anybody come from. We're looking for Jephthah who will deliver Nigeria. Just like that Jephthah of the old, deliver children of Israel. Peter Obi is Jephthah of Nigeria. Peter Obi will put the country, he will fix this country. God give us everything. When you're hearing 160, what the whole world talking about 360 means that we have 360 mineral resources in Nigeria that can sustain Nigeria. Not a bad leader, but Maran in party and party. I want to go Nigeria and vote on the 25th of February this month for people to be under and all the labor those in the Senate, the governor of Lagos State, all of them that are working for labor. The whole Nigeria get the 9 vote.
Kilarigbo Live TV. ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
atagbantagba lóde tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí lóní tagbangba ó ṣe.
àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀ but nínú Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
ṣe báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
alárakúàrà.
orí ètò alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot, mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín adépèlé KPK kò gbọ̀kẹ́ Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
ọba sọyún ọ̀rọ̀ jábẹ́sì padà ìwọ ni olú.